Iyak ang China sa balitang ito. Kinundi na kasi nila ang pagpapadala ng US ng warship. Binatikos din ng China ang deployment ng 2 missile warship ng Philippine Navy. Pati nga yung US fighter jet na rumesbak agad, hindi din nila pinalagpas. Ang kakapal na mukha nyo, China. Akala mo wala kayong barko dyan. Tapos pasabi-sabi pa kayo sa post nyo na never back down, never back down. E nung dumating nga sa Bao de Masinloc yung US Navy destroyer at combat warship ng US, nagtakbuhan lahat ng Chinese Coast Guard. Kitang-kita pa sa video ang pag-alis nila. Pati Chinese Maritime Militia umatras din agad. Wala na sila dun. Makikita rin kasi sa aerial video ng Philippine Coast Guard, malinis na malinis ang buong Bao de Masinloc. Oo, may natira ng 2 PLA Navy warship kaso wala namang ginawa. Niradyohan lang ang US Navy tapos wala na. Yun na yun. Kinumpirma naman ni Commodore J. Tariela na nanatili pa rin ang US Navy dyan sa Bao de Masinloc ngayong araw.
Presence of 2 US Navy ships, DDG-76 Higgins, LCS-20 Cincinnati, at a distance of 102 nautical miles from Zambales. It is also estimated to have an approximate distance of 30 nautical miles away from Bao de Masinloc. Accordingly, based on the statement provided by the U.S. government, these 2 U.S. naval vessels are conducting freedom of navigation and overflight control. While they were also flying over the vicinity of Bao de Masinloc, they monitored the presence of PLA Navy 568 tailing the 2 U.S. naval vessels.
Ibinalita rin kahapon ng PLA Navy na palayas nila ang US warship. Napakalaking fake news daw yan, sabi ni Commodore. Pangiti-ngiti tuloy si Spokes. Kitang-kita naman kasi sa report ng Philippine Coast Guard aircraft, nandyan ang 2 US Navy warship. Ang buong pag-aakala natin kahapon magkakagulo na. Kaso wala eh. Mga duwag talaga mga Chinese. Ang kaya nyo lang bulihin yung walang kalaban-laban ng PCG. Sa bagay, wala kasing armas o kanyon ang PCG vessel, kaya mayayabang sila.
I don't think that that would be accurate because based on the statement of the U.S. Navy, they were just carrying out a routine FONOPS. So it doesn't, it doesn't mean that the reason why they were not there anymore was because they were driven away by the Chinese warship.
Malaya ngang lumipad ng ilang oras ang PCG aircraft. Pero makalipas ang medyo matagal-tagal, may sumulpot bigla na fighter jet ang China. Tila ng pipikon pa. Inikot-ikutan kasi ang Pilipinas. Pero gaya ng ibang Chinese, wala din tong ginawa. Siguro sa takot baka tirahin sila ng missile ng USS Higgins.
One thing is clear, no? Every time we conduct an MDA flight over BDM, they are also harassing and endangering the safety of the Coast Guard aircraft. This is a learning experience for the People's Republic of China. For so many years, we have been reminding them to stop dangerous maneuver, to stop risky blocking, to adhere to the collision regulation, because there is a very high chance of miscalculation and this kind of collision incident would happen. Bilis ng resback ng US, grabe. Tila babala na to sa China na pag ginalaw nyo ang Pilipinas, kami agad ang makakalaban nyo. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo dito? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.